Dear students, I am Mrs. Pratibha. So again, I have come to teach you mathematics subject. So the topic which I am going to teach you today is algebraic expressions and identities. The topic is algebraic expressions and identities. So under this topic, in the previous class, we have studied about all the different types of identities, how to simplify using identities, how to simplify the algebraic expression using identities, or where in which simplification we can use the algebraic identities. Now, in the coming session, we are learning to division of algebraic expression, how to divide to algebraic expression. So when you divide to algebraic expression, so first we will learn how to divide a monomial by a monomial. Next we are going to learn how to divide a polynomial by a monomial, and then a polynomial by a polynomial or a binomial. So let us start with the division of a monomial by a monomial. Let us see how to divide a monomial by another monomial. So let's start with it. So first one, monomial by monomial division. So first division is monomial by monomial division. So under that, the first, let us solve the question. 12x cube y cube y. We have to divide it by 2xy. That means 12x cube y cube, which is a monomial, and 2xy is another monomial. So we have two monomials. So we have to divide the 12x cube y cube by 2xy. So solution. So to do 12x cube y cube divided by 2xy. So this is how we write division. So how to divide this? Now we have learned laws of exponents. So we can do this. You can apply the laws of exponents over here. So this will be 12 whole number by a whole number division. We know how to do it. So 12 by 2 is 6. 2 ones are 2. 6 are 12. Now here we have the numerator also we have x cube, denominator we have x. So by laws of exponents, x cube minus 1 will be, when it goes to the numerator it will be x to the power minus 1. Again here with the numerator we have y cube, and with the denominator we have y to the power 1. Again by using the laws of exponent, minus 1. So what does the laws of exponent says? A to the power n divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n, right? This is our law of exponents. So using this concept, I have done the simplification over here. So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 6x square and y square. So this is how we divide a monomial by a monomial. So we are used here laws of exponent. So using the laws of exponent, so since it's the numerator and denominator, we subtract the powers of the same variable. If it was both are on the numerator, then we add the powers of the variables. So next we will do one more question. Let's see. 15 x to the power 4 y cube divided by minus 5x square y. 5x square y. So we will solve this question now. So again, how to write? So solution. So 15 x to the power 4 y to the power 3 divided by minus 5x square y. Minus 5x square y. So again, we have to simplify the constant terms first, that is in the numerals, minus 15 divided by minus 5. So into x to the power 4 here, in the denominator also we have x, so x to the power 4 and x to the power 2. So using the laws of exponents, x to the power 4 minus 2. Next y, in the numerator also we have y, denominator also, but how it is? Y to the power 3 minus 1. So minus 5. So it is an integer division. So minus 5. So 5 ones are 5. 3's are. So this minus sign goes up, so minus 3. X to the power 2, y to the power. So this is how we divide. So in case if you have a negative sign in the polynomial or a monomial given. So you know this integer division, so using that, this is laws of exponent. So to simplify this, to divide a monomial by monomial, we are taking the other concepts. We are using, not taking, we are using the other concepts to simplify this monomial by monomial division. So next we will go for the binomial by monomial division. Next we will go for the binomial by a monomial division. So binomial by a monomial. So next question let us see. That is 12 AB square minus 2A square B by 4AB. 4AB. Given. Now how to simplify this? 12AB square minus 2A square B by 4AB. So here we have a binomial and this is a monomial. So how to do? Solution 12AB square minus 2A square B divided by 4AB. Yes? So this is how we write. So now how to simplify it? In the previous case we had, can we do it like this? This same with this same and this way with this B? No. That's not the way to simplify. So this division is for everything, right? Whole divided by 4AB. This said that whole divided by 4AB. So 4AB, this is divided for this also, this also. So this 4AB divides 12AB square as well as 2A square B also. Yeah, so you cannot directly here from here on you don't say this A gets cancelled with this B will be cancelled with this. No, that's the wrong way of calculating or simplifying the binomial by monomial division. So how to do it? So this will be equal to, so as I said, this 4AB is dividing both the first and the second term of the numerator. So we can write it as 12AB square divided by 4AB minus 2A square B divided by 4AB. So this is all. Now you know, now with this your binomial by monomial division is split into monomial by monomial divisions. Reduced to monomial by monomial division. So this will be 4 ones are 4. This is your 4 ones are, this is 4 threes are. So here also 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Now look at this. Let's do it. So this is 3 a to the power 1 in the numerator as well as denominator. So a to the power 1 minus 1. B to the power 2 in the numerator, denominator is 1, so it's minus. Minus 1 by 2. A to the power 2 minus 1, B to the power 1 minus 1. This numerator B1, denominator also B1. So this will be equal to 3 to A to the power 0, B to the power 1 minus half here into A to the power 1, B to the power 0. Now are we done? No. We can simplify further. Okay, what we can simplify? So this will be equal to 3, A to the power 0 is what? Yes, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So this will be 1, so we will not write it. So what remains is B. Minus half A to the power 1, B to the power 0 is 1. So we will not simplify that. Yes, it is written as 1, so we need not write it the number. B to the power 0 is 1, so we need not write 1 into any number is that number itself. So we have not written. So this is how we divide a binomial by a monomial. Let's go for one more example. B. So it is 18 A to the power 4, b to the power 3, c to the power 3 minus 12 a square b square c square plus 21 abc by 3abc. So this is how we are doing it. So again, this is not a binomial, this is a trinomial. Like we are saying it's a polynomial, and directly I'm going to tell it as a polynomial. So how to do it for polynomial by a monomial division? Polynomial by a monomial division is similar to your binomial by monomial division. Polynomial by monomial division is similar to your binomial by monomial division. That means the denominator divides each of the term in the numerator. Each term of the numerator is divided by the denominator. That's the polynomial by a monomial division is all about. Solution. So it is 18 a to the power 4, b to the power 3, to the power 3 minus 12 a square, b square, c square plus 21 abc. Now this will be 4 divided by 3abc. 4 divided by 3abc. Now this will be equal to, as I have told you, this division means 3abc divides each term of the numerator. 3abc divides each term of the numerator. So this will be how much? First one will be 18 a to the power 4, b to the power 3, c to the power 3 divided by 3abc. Then this minus sign comes 12 a square, b square, c square divided by, again that is divided by 3abc. So it doesn't mean that you have to cancel the c and c. Wrong. It's not that way. So plus bc divided by 3abc. Okay. Now you have in monomial by monomial division. Each term is in monomial by monomial. So we can do it. So 3 ones are, 3 6 are. So I'll write it directly. 6 are 18. So a to the power 4 minus 1, b to the power 3 minus 1, c to the power 3 minus 1, because denominator's powers are 1. Minus 3 ones are 3, 4s are. So it is a to the power 2 minus 1, b to the power 2 minus 1, c to the power 2 minus 1. The numerator's powers are 2, denominator variable's powers are 1. Plus 3 ones are, 3 sevens are. So a to the power 1 minus 1, to the power 1 minus 1, c to the power 1 minus 1. I can say a gets cancelled, b gets cancelled, c gets cancelled. So this will be 6 a to the power 3, b to the power 2, c to the power 2 minus 4a, b, c plus 7. Because a to the power 1 minus 1 is 0, b to the power 1 minus 1 is 0, c to the power 1 minus 1 is 0. So a to the power 0 is 1, b to the power 0 is 1, c to the power 0 is 1. So it's no need of writing that. You can directly write this as the answer. So this is how we divide a polynomial by a monomial. Now this one can be done in another way. When you study the next topic, that is factorization chapter, when you learn the factorization chapter, it is given in a simple method. How we can, in the factorization chapter, you are going to take the common term out and then you are going to simplify it. So now you have such a big long method, but once you learn that factorization chapters, once you are thorough with it, you will be able to solve this in 2 steps. Take the common terms out and then cancel that and write the answer by it. You can do it. So, but for that will be taught in the next chapter, that is factorization chapter. So this is what we have learned about polynomial by a monomial. So next, we will go to the important concept, that is polynomial by a binomial or a polynomial. Polynomial by a binomial is the next concept that we are going to Done. So let me solve. We'll take one question. Question E. So 6x squared minus 7x minus 5 by 2x plus 1. So how is it? So we write solution. 6x squared minus 7x minus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Now, can we do this one? No. Each term if you do also. Now if I do this one, as we have told us earlier, 6x squared divided by 2x1 minus 7x divided by 2x plus 1. Because I have told you each term divides each term is divided by the denominator. So if you write still, you don't know how to do because there are two terms. It's a binomial, we have not learned, so how to do? So what we are doing is, here these type of problems are done with the usual division method, which you do it for numbers, right? The same long division method. We are finding the quotient using the long division method. So we will divide this, so long division method. Side, I need to write something. Shift the side. Space 6x squared minus 7x minus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. So this is how we have. So we will write here, we write the dividend and this is the divisor. So dividend is 6x squared minus 7x minus 5 is your dividend. So where do we write the divisor? Over here. 2x plus 1. Now we have written it, but how to divide it? Okay. So how to divide? How to start with the division? So what you have to do is, you take the first term of the dividend. What is that? 6x squared. So you take that. This is the rough calculation which I am doing. 6x squared is the first term of your dividend. Next, divide it by the first term of the divisor. Which is the first term of the divisor? 2x. So divide that. So what you get? What is the answer you are going to get? So 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So it is 3x square and x to the power 1. So 2x will be given. This x gets cancelled with that one of that x. So what remains is 3x. So your first quotient for this one is 3x. So that is your first quotient. Now what you have to do here, what you have to write in this quotient value here. So that will be 3x into 2x plus 1 you should write. So what is that? 3x into 2x plus 1. 3x into 2x is 6x squared plus 1 into 3x is plus 3x. So what you do in the long division method, you do subtraction, right? So these two numbers are being subtracted in long division usual method. So here also we are subtracting. So minus, and that means how we have done the algebraic expression subtraction, same thing algebraic subtraction. So this plus will change to minus. When you are subtracting, this plus will change to minus. So minus 7x and minus 3x plus 6x and minus 6x. So these two will get cancelled because one is plus and one is minus because after subtracting, sign changes there. Now here also minus 7x and minus 3x. So what do you have? Minus 10x. Minus 10x and then you bring this 5 down. Yes, minus 5. Now again, it's quotient we have to find here. Yes, so what we have to do here? Again, find out the same thing. Consider this as the dividend, this as the divisor, this as the dividend, this as the divisor. Take the first term of the dividend, that is minus 10x, along with the sign you need to take. Divided by 2x. So here what happens? 2x and 2x gets cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. What remains is minus 1. So minus 5. So the next quotient is minus 1. Yeah. Now, what are we going to plus 1 minus 10x and minus 5. Again we have to subtract. Let us subtract plus and plus. So 10 minus 10x plus 10x is 0 minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So the answer is 0. Those both get cancelled. So your remainder is 0. So what is your quotient here you get? Therefore 6x square minus 7x plus 5 whole divided by 2x plus 1 will be equal to 3x minus 5. This is your answer. 3x minus 5. So this is how we divide. For starting how to get the quotient, you take the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor, divide those two, so that gives your first quotient. So after that, you have to multiply that quotient with the divisor to get another dividend. So those two dividends are subtracted to get one more dividend. Now from that first dividend, first term of the dividend by again with the same divisor. Divide that. Again you will get one more quotient. Until you get the remainder as 0. So this is how we do the division of a polynomial by a binomial. So next we will solve one more question. Next is minus x square minus 94x plus 600 by x plus 100. So this one, again shall we start with the same method. So we have to divide x plus 100, write it a little bit. This side it's not a rough work. The equation is not a rough work. Only the calculation part what we are doing actually what is rough work. Which part comes as a rough work. Now this is my rough work. What is my rough work? What I need to write in the rough work is. Now first step, what I have told you is first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. So minus x square divided by x. So what remains? Minus x will remain. X and x square. So x will remain here. X to the power 2 here, 1. So x to the power 2 minus 1 is x to the power 1. So x and this minus along with that. So your first quotient is minus x. So what you have to do here? First quotient with the divisor. You have to multiply. So my x into minus x is minus x square. X into minus x is minus x square. Minus x into 100 is minus 100x. Correct? 100 into minus x is minus 100x. Next, what are you going to do? Next, you are subtracting. When you subtract, the second parts sign gets changed. This sign will become plus. This sign will become plus. Here, minus will become plus. Plus will become minus. So here we had minus, so it became plus. Here also we had minus, so it became plus. Next we will do minus x square and plus x square. So that gets cancelled. Now plus 100x minus 94x. So what are you going to get? Yes, plus 6x. You will get it as plus 6x. And this 600 bring it down. Now what we have to do again? Same thing. 6x divided by x. So x and x gets cancelled. So what is the quotient you are going to get? 6. So as plus 6 is your quotient. Next again we are multiplying that 6 with x plus 100. So what you are going to get? 6x plus 600. So minus and minus. So the answer is 0. Minus and minus. So the answer is 0 here. So what we can see? Again, because here I had plus, so plus is changed to minus, this plus is also changed to minus. Yes, this plus is changed to minus, this plus is also changed to minus. So plus 6x minus 6x, plus 600 minus 600. So we had a remainder 0. So what is the quotient we get for this? Minus x plus 6. Now, so here we have, I'll write, quotient what we get is minus x plus 6. Now what is our divisor? Divisor is x plus 100. And what is our dividend? Dividend is minus x square minus 94x plus 600. So what is our division algorithm states? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So let us check divisor into quotient. What are we going to get? So let us verify whether whatever the answer we have got is right or wrong. To verify that, so verification. So what you have to do? So verification is how to do? Dividend is equal to divisor. Dividend. So you can write dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder. So what is our divisor? Divisor is x plus 100. Yes. What is our quotient? Quotient is minus x plus 6. Remainder is 0. So we will check whether this is true. How do we check? This is a binomial. This is also binomial. So binomial by binomial multiplication. So shall we do it directly? So x into x is minus x square. So x into 6 is plus 6x and 100 into plus 6x minus 100x plus 600. 100 into 6 is 600. So here what is the answer you are going to get? Minus x square minus 94x plus 600. If we get back that co-dividend, yes, we have got that. We have got the dividend, which is minus x square minus 94x plus 600. This is how we verify whether the answers whatever we have got is right or wrong. So okay, this is about the division of algebraic expression. So we have learned how to divide a monomial by a monomial, binomial by a monomial, and a polynomial by a monomial. The next, what we have learned is the division of a polynomial by a polynomial or a binomial. So in this, after dividing, we can verify the answers. How do we? By using division algorithm, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder. That's how we have verified the last questions, this question. Okay, that's all we have in the algebraic expression chapter. So thank you.